gagawin nyo.
Yes,
So
one more,
let's do
one more.
this again. Level 2. Yes, let's put our Santa cups down muna before we show the sequence. Huwag mo na i-show yung sequence. Okay, you can watch your sequence now on the big screen for 15 seconds. Go! Our sequence 2. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, 10 seconds starts now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so, ma'am, ano pangalan mo?
Nakapunta kami dito!
Si Ma'am Rachel. Wala siya. Pero tingnan natin.
Mabigyan! Nakapunta kami!
One more level. One more chance to win a prize today. At baka naman yung prize nyo sa with Team Shoe ulit. So are we ready for our third sequence? Third sequence?
Kinjo! Nakapunta kami dito! Panis na halo-halo na kami namin! Kinjo! Kinjo! Kasali mo kami
Last
dito!
sequence.
Shota!
Ayan, last sequence. 15, 14, 13, 12,
Panis na halo-halo namin namin dito!
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10 seconds starts now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and a half, 2, 1. I will let you finish. I will let you finish it.
Ayan, natapos.
Meron pa isa dito. Every level, mag-up yung hardship kasi natin.
Kinjo! Nakapunta kami dito!
Shanta.
Amoy panis na halo-halo na kami!
Baka naman may dalawang consolation prize dyan.
Kinjo!
Libre Haraya. Neil, congratulations dito. But thank you so much, Ma'am Rachel.
Kinjo!
Consolation na yan.
Mami Kimjo! Kahapon pa kami! Amoy panis na halo-halo na kami! Hoy!
Ayan, there's no consolation prize, but you can split the grand prize of our memorization game.
Yay, congratulations!
Congratulations! Picture muna
Enjoy,
tayo.
Chowky!
Official picture tayo. Official picture.
Kimjo!
Picture!
Kimjo! Kimjo! Mapicture!
Congratulations to our contestants. Sige, winners naman din sila kasi they were able to get a song.
Yes! Oo naman. Thank you so much sa pagpunta.
Oo, gusto ko yung 5 seconds
Uy,
na
Mia, sasa mo naman yung picture kanina. Nandun ako. Huwag ka naman ano. Ikaw yung busy mo.
Don't forget we have a promo today. Kim, you want to share them about our promo? Yung promo, buy two, get
Yes,
one.
buy two, get one free. Buy two, Chowking Halo-Halo Supreme. Makakuha po kayo ng one free if you buy two Chowking
Hindi niyo alam.
Halo-Halo.
Oo.
Kaya enjoy!
That's right, and this promo is available until May 3rd. Then tomorrow we also have the 5-5 promo. It's the same thing, buy two, get one free. But ito, bukas, available naman sa lahat ng Chowking stores nationwide.
Kim Jo! Kim Jo! May panis, panawalo na ako! Okay na yan.
Yes, at ito ba, kahit nasa bahay, abot kamay mo pa rin ang halo-halo
Walang
goodness by
limit!
ordering through the Chowking website at www.chowkingdelivery.com or pwede din sa mga food delivery app.
That's right, you don't have to go out to enjoy your Chowking Halo Halo Supreme.
Ano ba yun,
Thank
shirt?
you so much, SM Mall of Asia, for your enthusiasm dito sa Chowking Halo Halo Land.
Yes, thank you so much. Maraming salamat po sa lahat na nagpunta. Enjoy Chowking Halo Halo Supreme. Pwede kayong mag-selfie dito sa Sangkap Cube. And don't forget to tag Chowking PH and also tag me, Chiri the Princess. And don't forget to use the hashtag Chowking Halo Halo Land and Chowking Halo Halo Supreme.
Yes, that's right. And at this point, our dear friends and family, we will be listening to a few words of Chowking's brand director, Miss Arian Valinton.
And of course, maraming salamat po sa lahat nandito sa SM Mall of Asia. Thank you for joining us here in Chowking Halo Halo Land Mall of Asia. This is actually our fourth leg. Malapit na po tayo tapos ang summer. Pero napakainit pa rin ang event natin dito sa MOA. At this point, please allow me to acknowledge the presence of our Chowking leadership team. We have with us this afternoon, of course, our regional business unit head from Mega Manila, Ma'am
Kim
Jo.
Jo! Kim Jo!
We also have our finance head. We have Ma'am Jessamine Leong.
Kim
And of
Jo!
course, ang ating masisipag na taga-operations team
Kim
together
Jo!
with our
Ano yan,
operations directors,
Direk?
area managers, Chowking, MOA team, maraming salamat sa inyo. We also have our RS, R&D, and Web marketing team.
Kim Jo! Wala na kaming boses!
Our partnership with SM Supermalls. Thank you for choosing Chowking Halo Halo Supreme as your official Halo Halo partner for all SM Supermalls.
Wait lang, nandyan yung boss. Sabi
For
ni
our
Kim
dear
Jo,
guests,
nandyan yung
this
boss.
weekend we have prepared a lot of activities for you. Sabi nga ni Colleen and Kim, I hope you can try the Sangkap Cube. This is an immersive 3-day experience that we brought here in SM Mall of Asia.